Potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, DeFrance, Chincon, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Glenwood, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ, 93 Crimersville, Ohio. Now here is the temperatures drop even this normal. This is no weather for all as by the radio station WXJ 93 Crimersville, Ohio. The voice of the National Weather Service reported broadcasting on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz and serving west central Ohio. This broadcast of alarms from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. Now here is the official national. A chance of rain in the morning, then rain likely in the afternoon. Freezing and mild with highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 60%. Receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service Wednesday between Ohio and noon. When there was a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and a warning alarm will vary at any given location, and water ability. None of them are noticeable at greater distances on the transmitter or returning on broadcasting good quality receiver in perfect coordination. And the alarm will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings in the following counties: down in Indiana, Carter, 7 Rachels, and Ohio, Low Range, Benton, Marshall, Guthrie, Ohio, Noble, Ohio, Woodland, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Adams, Gulf, Bradford, Ohio Valley, Jane. Everything across the Wisconsin, for the free without entering the normal and work. Now, the official National Weather Service forecast shows a rain alarm still there. That's more information. We're listening to Billy Williams and more about those legislatively on the source of the human information. 20 miles an hour programming. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers